Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
So the Sadasya that we are about to reveal is John Kumar Shanu.
I think more than responsibilities, scrutiny बहुत होगी मुझ पे. There'll be a lot of eyes on me because of the surname that I have. I don't think I'll disappoint them. You know, I'm up for the task. I'm up for the challenge because I feel that I shouldn't have a problem. So वो जो घुलने मिलने की बात है वो उसमें I think I can manage pretty well. अब पसंद और नापसंद, पसंद आना और नहीं पसंद आना वो सामने वाले पे होगा. दोगलापन है and two-faced है and I feel I just want to be myself from the start till the end. And I found a very big confidence boost in this belief of mine because of last year's winner.
Hi, welcome to India Forums.
Hi.
Okay, so are you all set for Bigg Boss?
Yes. Sort of.
Oh, okay. ये first time आपको offer हुआ है, like पहले भी offer आ चुका है Bigg Boss का?
This is the first time that it's been, actually I've been told about it before, but yeah, this is the first time that it's been properly offered and I'm going for it.
Okay, so one thing जो आपके दिमाग में सबसे पहले strike हुई थी जब आपको ये show offer हुआ था, and one thing why you said yes for the show.
One thing while it was offered to me was, oh my God, Bigg Boss.
Okay.
Because I've been a fan of the show for a while. I've watched all the seasons, and I've never thought that I'll be offered a part in the I'll get to be a contestant in one of the shows that I've been watching for like such a long time. So hence the oh my God, Bigg Boss. And I was more curious about the entire thing. I've always been more curious about how the entire show works. Being a viewer of the show, I've had so many questions that I've wanted answered. And I think the best way I felt to get the questions answered would be to be a part of it and experience the entire thing for myself, how it happens.
Okay, and also you come up with a very heavy surname, your last name. So responsibilities भी काफी है. उसके बारे में आप बताओ.
Responsibilities तो है, but I think more than responsibilities, scrutiny बहुत होगी मुझ पे. There'll be a lot of eyes on me because of the surname that I have, and I don't think I'll disappoint them. I'm up for the task. I'm up for the challenge because I feel that जो होगा वो मैं अच्छे से handle कर लूँगा.
And also, Bigg Boss is all about controversies. काफी ups and downs आते हैं show के अंदर भी. तो वो सब आप झेलने के लिए ready है. कितना patience level अगर मैं आपका पूछूं rate करने को out of 10?
I think I would give myself an 8 out of 10 patience wise. Yeah, I'm very patient that way. I don't get angry easily. But then again, that once I get angry, then that 8 will go down to 0.
Okay.
That's the problem. Like if I don't get angry easily, but if I do get angry, like if I go to that side, where I cannot take it anymore, then 8 goes down to 0.
Okay, strategies तो हम नहीं पूछ सकते क्योंकि घर के अंदर जाके ही काफी चीजें बदल जाती है, काफी नई strategies होती है. But to showcase yourself, क्योंकि शो के जो host है वो भी बार-बार बोलते हैं तुम दिख नहीं रहे हो. तो उस चीज के लिए to promote yourself, you have some particular strategy or agenda, like how you will promote yourself in the show.
I've been very I think I've lucked out in this manner because I'm very, since birth I'm very friendly. I'm very happy-go-lucky, friendly. I like interacting with people since I've been a kid, and making friends has never been a problem for me as such. Getting to chat up people and that's never been a problem for me. So I feel that in that way I shouldn't have a problem as far as I know myself. So वो जो घुलने मिलने की बात है वो उसमें I think I can manage pretty well. अब पसंद और नापसंद, पसंद आना और नहीं पसंद आना वो सामने वाले पे होगा कि how they take my approach towards them.
And also I want to know your relationship status because घर के अंदर काफी जोड़ियां couples भी बन जाते हैं. So are you ready for that also? So current relationship status क्या है आपका?
Current relationship status, I'm single only.
Okay.
I'm dating my work, I'll be honest.
Okay.
Because that's something that nothing compares to the, you know, the feeling of music. Like the feeling that music gives to me, nothing compares to it. But as for the house, you can't really make up a, you know, mindset and then go into the house with, you know, such because हो जाता है, like, you know, वो घर के अंदर ऐसा atmosphere हो जाता है कि, you know, people think हाँ अच्छा, you know, like I might be like, you know, in love with this person or something. But I'm not really going to be looking forward to it at all because when it comes to this topic, I'm a bit old school. My mindset is a bit from the old school, and I think such a short span is like, you know, 3 months is not enough time to, like, you know, proclaim to someone that, you know, I'm in love with you and you know, I want to spend my life with you and all, because firstly it's just 3 months, and secondly it's Bigg Boss. Everybody over there is playing a game, so you can't really come to know what a person really is based on, like, you know, your time spent together on a TV reality show, one of the biggest shows in the country, because everyone is going to be putting their best foot forward no matter how you know, how you do what you do. So I don't think this love wala angle will be something that I'll think much about, because as far as I know myself, it takes time for me to, you know, get these feelings for someone.
Okay, and also before signing the show, आपने कुछ सलाह मशवरा अपने dad से, mom से, सबके साथ ली थी. Since your dad is in this industry since so long, तो कुछ special tips मिले हैं आपको?
See, being in this industry for so long is definitely there, but then Bigg Boss is a whole other ball game. Yeah. Bigg Boss is something that is like, you know, no amount of industry experience can prepare you for Bigg Boss.
Yeah.
Because वहाँ खुद शो वालों को पता नहीं होता क्या होने वाला है. It is that unpredictable. Like they put in a mix of people together and then they just watch everything happen, you know. So strategy, as such, my strategy is one only, and that is just to be myself from the start till the end of the show, because I've seen like the previous seasons of the show and everything, and contestants put on a show in the beginning, you know, they put on an act in the beginning, and बाद में हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते बाद उनका जो एक वो act है वो it starts to fall, and then people start, you know, like disliking them because like they are like, you know, दोगलापन है and you know, two-faced है, and I feel I just want to be myself from the start till the end, and I found a very big confidence boost in this belief of mine because of last year's winner, and that is Siddharth Shukla, because that guy was just awesome. He has been himself right from the first episode till the last episode. He has not given two hoots about what others think about him, and he has stood for what he thought was right. No matter if, you know, if people weren't standing beside him also, he would stand alone.
Yeah.
And that's because he was himself. उन्होंने कभी कुछ मतलब act नहीं किया कि मैं ऐसा हूँ and you know ये ऐसा है या वैसा. He came to the show saying कि मैं ऐसा हूँ, पसंद आए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, पसंद नहीं आए तो आप बाजू में जाके खड़े हो जाओ, because I'm not going to change myself. That's the approach that I want to take inside the house, and yeah, I don't want to change myself. That's the only strategy I've made as of now.
And also अभी जो सिनेरियो चल रहा है, जो कोविड-19 है, उसको लेके भी काफी, you know, टेंशन है, केसेस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. आप लोग एक घर में रहेंगे, इतने सारे लोग, of course आप लोग सब क्वारंटाइन वगैरह करके जाएंगे, but still what all personal precautions you going to take inside the house?
Trying to maintain social distance in the Bigg Boss house is going to be a task.
Yeah.
Given that arguments and, you know, the situations often end up in people like, you know, एकदम एक दूसरे के सामने आके हाँ and all that, you know. So I'm going to try maintaining social distancing, and apart from that, the personal things that I do, having water through the day, and you know, warm liquid intake जो है वो काफी ज़्यादा होगा, मेरे लिए, because since I'm a singer, it anyways beneficial for me, and given the times that we are in, the COVID and like everything that's happening, I feel these are a few things that I'll be doing. And I think COVID ke liye to they've taken care of everything almost, the channel. They've made sure like everybody's absolutely safe and all, but on my personal front I will do whatever I feel, jo maine suna hai about how you can stop the spread. So I will be keeping those things in my head, and I'll be going doing that in the house.
Okay, now we have to end this interview because you have other lineups also. But lastly, what you like to say to the fans, to the viewers? You'll be entering this season. What you like to say there?
I would like to request all of my viewers and my fans ki vote for me in tons, and like whatever unit of measurement that you all feel like is the biggest, because I need your love, I need your blessings, and I need your votes to win this Bigg Boss. And I really want, I really want to win this season, because it's going to be the start of my career, and the start of my career is going to be in your hands. So आप लोग मुझे भर के votes और प्यार कर दीजिएगा, because मुझे आपके votes की सख्त जरूरत है.
Thank you so much, and we wish you all the luck. बहुत अच्छा करना Bigg Boss में. We'll be watching you.
Thank you.
And all the best.
Thank you so much.
Are you a fan of Bigg Boss 14? If yes, don't miss out on the latest gossips and updates only on www.indiaforums.com.